Hi there, Grace here. Look, it's a flower. And there's another, and another. Look, a tulip. And there's a daisy. Oh, if these flowers keep growing, I won't be able to see you. So I better just say goodbye, so long, see you later. I'm Nick Jr.